to my channel RS Fashion Style. I hope you guys is doing very well. So today I'm gonna talk about a facial serum which I have been using from last 2 weeks, and I can see the visible difference in my skin. So I thought to share my reviews about this product. So if you are interested to see the full review, then go ahead with the video. But before diving into the video, take a moment to subscribe my channel and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time when I post the new video. So let's get into the video. So first come first, we will talk about the packaging of the product. So the product, it looks like this, and the packaging is really pretty with the design on all over the box. You can see that it is very attractive packaging. I really like this. What matters here is the packaging of the product. So now we'll see the product. So here we have our product. It comes with this brown transparent bottle, and this is the glass bottle, and they also have a pump to dispense the product. Although they provide this clever cap which is absolutely genius. I love this thing about it, so that you can cover this every time after using this product. So guys, if you want to know the list of ingredients, so you can go with the outer packaging. They have a huge list of ingredients over there, like they have witch hazel in this, and they have hyaluronic acid, they have jojoba, cold pressed oil, green tea oils. So they have a goodness of very good essentials oils. Although they also says that they are no mineral oil, there is no SLS, no added color there, so they are paraben and SLS free, so it is very safe to use. It's come with the 20 ml of quantity, and its MRP is $17.99, and it is available on all the major online stores. So I bought this from purple.com where I get some good discount. So I will put every information regarding this product in the description box. You can check the description box. So now the question is, how the vitamin C is beneficial for our skin. So let me tell you guys, there are many benefits of the vitamin C for your skin. Like it hydrates your skin, it brightens your skin, it gives a youthful effect to your skin, it even reduces the redness and gives even out your skin tones. It helps to fade hyperpigmentation and scars like sunspot, age spots, and even it also helpful in treating melasma also. The most important role of vitamin C, it promotes the collagen production, and it helps to prevent sagging skin. Like when your collagen levels begins to drop, so your skin begins to sag. So vitamin C helps to promote the collagen production. It increases the collagen production in your skin and prevent your skin from getting saggy. If you are regularly using serum, you can see the amazing results of the serum. Guys, if you haven't started using vitamin C in your skincare routine, then please start using any vitamin C, whatever you like, in your skincare routine. So now let's talk about its consistency. It is a very liquidy kind of consistency. It is transparent, so you can see, and a little pump is sufficient for your face. So it is very well absorbed in your skin. It will very smooth and very buttery. It will not give you any stickiness on your skin. So I generally use this serum in my night care routine so that my skin absorbed it very well, and I believe that our skin is in the healing process in the night. So I personally prefer to use this in night care routine. It's totally up to you if you want to use this in your daycare skin routine or in the night care routine. After settling the serum, you will not feel anything. It is very smooth on skin. So I really like the texture and the application of the serum. After applying the serum, you have to lock your skin with the moisturize as per the instruction, because they also give the direction that do a patch test on a small area of skin, and then start by applying 3 to 5 drops of Senbotanica vitamin C serum followed by your moisturize once daily. So you have to lock your skin after applying this product with a good moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer, whatever you want. So this is the overall review of this product, and if you like this video, then please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel. So thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.